Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to find your headphones Soundcore A25i. You have to start by opening the application. So if you have the same problem, just put your headphones to the charging case, close the case, open it and remove your headphones from the charging case. Now it should be fixed. Here we go. Now, if you want to find it, just click Find Device. And now you can play a song for your left one or right one earbud. You can play it for both also. So just click on it and it will play some song. And also for the right one. You can increase the volume and increase this sound level. And as you can see, I just give a max and it starts to be more louder. And when you find it, just click again to stop it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.